Hey guys, welcome to Mind Maze.
Get ready for the ultimate English grammar test. Let's go. She is afraid of spiders. He is interested in learning new languages. I will meet you at the park at 5 p.m. This book was written by an acclaimed author. She goes to school by bus every day. I am looking forward to the weekend. He is good at solving puzzles. She is married to a doctor. We need to focus on the task at hand. He was punished for breaking the rules. She is fond of chocolates. The keys are hidden under the mat. He is responsible for completing the project. We arrived at the airport on time. She complained about the noise in the library. They are talking about moving to a new house. I am proud of your achievements. The dog jumped over the fence. He succeeded in convincing everyone. I congratulated him on his promotion. The cat is hiding under the table. She is very excited about her birthday party. He apologized for being late. This letter is addressed to the manager. They were surprised at the sudden rain. Let me know how many you got it right. Please like and subscribe for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching.